Alright, what we have here is a 2011 Toyota Sienna. We're going to change the alternator, which is located here. This is the alternator. So pretty much we're gonna have to remove whatever's in here, and we have to remove the radiator fans. We have to remove the radiator. We have to drain the cooling system, or the coolant, in order for us to access the alternator. So let's do that. Alright, here we are at the bottom of the vehicle. You see this exhaust here, front exhaust, and this is your subframe over here. You go all the way forward, you will see the plug here for the radiator right there. And at the bottom of that there is a hole. There's holes here in the plastic, and you gotta get yourself a hose, a piece of hose like this. They're just enough to fit into the drain plug there, or drain hole right there. Right. So we'll see if this one fit. Yeah, just right there, just enough. There you go. So just enough there to get fit, and then here's your line. And now you can unscrew the plug, and it should start draining. Here's what it looked like. Right. Okay, so there's actually a bottom bolt there that you have to release. See that bolt? That bolt there is holding the alternator. You have to release that in order for you to take it out. So after you remove the bolts, you're gonna need this kind of tool. Be careful, there's a wire here for your AC. You have to take it out. Alright, here's our alternator, but a rebuild one. So we got 2 bolts that we have to remove. So that's rebuild alternator. Alright, so this is the old one. This is the new one. So what we're going to do now is to place this bracket to the new one. So remove the bolt, put the bracket here, and put the alternator back. Alright, so all the bracket is transferred. 10 millimeter bolt here and 12 millimeter bolts and the bracket. So now let's put it in. So always compare the belt because it's the same size. Right, so looks like the same size. done. The alternator is in, belt is in. And filling up the coolant. So that's it. Thank you for watching.